Hey everyone, so it's Nick here again with Amber. She's still here. She's still not overly happy. She's getting a bit restless, but it's okay. We'll push on. So I wanted to show you this res score. And the reason why I want to show you this is that I really think when it comes to your resume, you should update it based on each role that you are applying for. And that takes time, it's a bit painful, but there's a couple of good reasons for doing it. And firstly, I've heard just from people anecdotally, don't quote me on this, but resume screening software could knock out up to 80% of resumes that people put in for any particular job. So I'm guessing, based on my work as a data scientist, that these algorithms, would be basically mainly keyword based, or would be sort of mainly based on bag of words model, but pretty simple models just looking for keywords. Possibly some more complicated, I don't know, but I reckon you're going to do pretty well by having something on your resume that's close to the job that you're going for. So I think it's really important to get an idea of what your resume would look like for a resume screener. And one of the things you could do is go to this site, rescore.com. I have no link with these guys at all. I don't know what they do. I don't know if their purposes are good or evil. But you can just upload your resume like this. And this is just a CV of some dude. There is literally just some dudes there that I've got this resume from the internet, uploading it. And so you can get a bit of a score. Don't contact me about these things, please. But you can see the report, and this resume doesn't look fantastic. So resume's average. You can see what kind of salary they can expect. You can get an idea of it's too brief. It's got some decent impact, but it doesn't have depth. And you can get some suggestions about how it could be improved. You can see what kind of industry it's going to look most interesting for. So computer internet, that's good. And you can get some charts about, some ideas of psych tests about this particular person. But what's most interesting to me is the different keywords that pop up. And so this is going to be, I think, important to a resume screener. So that's why I think it's probably not a bad idea to run your resume through this and at least have your base template resume that you tweak for the different positions to match the keywords that are there. Okay, and so I know here your resume will be punished if it's too brief, but really as someone who's hired in the past, you may only spend 3 to 5 seconds looking at any particular resume and you're just scanning for keywords anyway. So make it look pretty, set it up nicely, and your aim with a resume is not to pack everything in, because if it's unpleasing to the eye, then chances are if a human's looking at it, they might flick it. But it's got to still have the keywords there. So it's kind of a balance between having the relevant keywords for the job, but don't have it overly descriptive and too much text and too verbose, because people are just not going to want to deal with it. So lay it out nicely, and and best of luck with the process. But hopefully this will really help you.